I am loony enough to attempt this one. A twist on the Russian roulette. The staple gun roulette. Just to show you that I have 4
It's great.
empty
It's perfect.
staple guns. Now,
Yeah.
in order to do the staple gun roulette, I'm going to need some staples.
Video. Did you video me? I didn't
Could I have you come up?
so you couldn't.
Yes. Kristen, please give Kristen the hand. Did you verify that those are actual staples?
They're actual staples.
And I do have one of the 4 empty staple guns?
Yes.
Would you mind placing the staples inside, upside down, yeah, right into the staple gun? So we have loaded the staples in. Now to make this even more interesting, I'm going to take the staple guns, place them back inside the bag. I'm going to just give them a little mix-up. Now, if I may, can I have 2 more volunteers to come up? I prefer adults versus the children for this. So in other words, my life is in your hands.
We are in a hospital.
Hey, I don't have far to go. You're out and grab one. Very good. Now, I would like for you to take the gun. Okay? And on the count of 3, just shoot my hand. 1, 2, 3. Oh, God! No, I'm just joking. Thank you. You may have a seat. Give her a hand.
You should have like blood spurting out and stuff.
We have
That'd be
3
hysterical.
guns
Wipe it off.
left. Mr. Ridley, would you mind closing your eyes and choosing one of the guns? Very good. Now, sir, hold it nice and steady for me. You're right. If you don't mind,
Oh, no. Not the face.
right into my neck.
No, don't do it. No. Oh, I can't take this.
1, 2,
Ah.
3.
Ah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ethan? Okay. Ethan, we are down to 2 staple guns. A 50-50 chance. Would you mind closing your eyes, sir, and reaching in and choosing a staple gun? Now, Ethan, are you sure this is the gun that you would like to use?
Yeah, why not?
Now, there is another gun in there. Would you like to switch? Or would you like Ethan to go ahead and use this gun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. Ethan, I want you to hold it up high. You're a lefty.
Yay.
Yay.
Okay, Ethan. Here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2. You sure you want to do this, Ethan? Okay.
I'm on this side.
Okay.
What do you think?
On
Again,
this side.
I have to be loony, right?
Right.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Excellent. So, there's one gun left. One staple gun that we did not choose. Just to make sure that this is the one that does contain the staples. Would you please verify, Ethan? Can everyone sing?
You're gonna put it through your leg.
No, it's a state.
I'm just kidding.
Those are staples.
Yes.
Would you mind
I see 'em.
removing the staples out?